We're going to look at an example now of how we can find angle measurements, and we're looking here in number 17 at this diagram where you see a couple of angles that are formed by two lines crossing, another one coming out from that point. The important thing to recognize is what's written up here in the directions, that FG, line FG, is perpendicular to line GH. Okay, so if we were to mark that, we could make a little right angle mark there, or actually in any of these four corners, right? Because if one of them is a 90-degree angle, so is this one, so is this one, and actually the most important one then is this last one. Because that last one being a right angle tells us that this angle in here, the 2x minus 9 degrees, and this angle in here, the x degrees, have to add up to 90 degrees. They form a right angle together. For the sake of communicating those angles, I'm going to put a point out here and call it I. That way I can call this HGI, and I can call this one FGI. Okay, because this would be my equation that I'd set up. Angle HGI, which is this guy over here, and angle FGI, FGI is this one in here, have to equal 90 degrees. Okay, once you've got that set up, you know that smaller angle plus the other smaller angle equals 90. Just plug in what you know. HGI is 2x minus 9. And we're going to add angle FGI, which we said was x degrees, and that has to equal 90. Once you've got that substituted in, now you're just doing some algebra. 2x and x are 3x. Minus 9 equals 90, so I just simplified that a little bit. Let's add 9 to both sides. That would get rid of the 9 here. That would make this 99. And then when we divide each side by 3, x has to be 33. And since that's what we were looking for, we were trying to find the value of x, we are all done.